What's up, everybody? It's your girl Khadijah, and I'm back with another video today. I know y'all missed me. Did y'all? It don't even fucking matter because I'm back and I'm here. So let me explain why my lips looking all dry and crusty. So today I am going to be trying out some new lippies with you guys, if I can. I'm making my thumbnail, y'all. But today I am going to be trying on these lippies with you guys. This is my first time trying on any color. So you know, with this, here's the stigma. So dark skinned women, I know I'm not the only one, but dark skinned women my tone, we usually have this thing where we're too dark for bright colors. Well, that's not really bright, but this is pretty orange. This here is pretty pink. But yeah, we have this thing where, oh, I'm too dark for that. Even with hair color, I don't do color only because I feel like I'm too dark. But that is not true. I've seen girls darker than me. I've seen girls my color rock the hell out of some bright ass colors, but I'm just not brave enough. But today, I'm going to embrace that with y'all because I fuck with y'all and I know y'all fuck with me. So I'm finna try it today. Today is gonna be my first time trying this. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So what I'm gonna do is, what I did off camera was, that's why they all dry and stuff, but what I did already was I got me like some cocoa butter Vaseline, and I got like a toothbrush and just exfoliated my lips or whatever, so they real soft and they real kissable, but they didn't dry it out since I put my makeup on. So we just gonna go ahead and get into it. So the first color I'm gonna try, because it's been screaming my name in already. So I'm going to try this orange. It's bright as fuck. So right here, you guys, my dumb ass was sitting up here reacting to how bright that orange is, but it really was cute, but it's just too bright, and I can't deal with the brightness. So that's what that was about.
You won't be we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in.
All right, y'all, so I'm back and I'm not really feeling the orange. Like, I don't like how it how it glides on. It's like I don't know if the camera is picking up, but it's not bold. Like, it got like, I don't know, I can't really explain it, but I'm not fucking with it. So y'all let me know in the comments if y'all fucking with it. But it's just, I think it's just this brand. I think that's what the problem is. But I don't think I'm really fucking with it. So on to the next one.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM.
All right, y'all, I'm back. So this here is the pink one. What y'all think? I mean, it's just so bright. I I feel like I should be popping some bubble gum while I got this on my lips. Next. Alright, you guys, so I didn't film this one on camera. I did it off camera. So I can cut down on the video time, because I know y'all will get bored and start clicking off and shit, and we ain't got time for all that. But this here is this color. And I'm really fucking with this color. But you know why? Because it's dark. So, like, I really don't think I can get into the brighter colors. Not that I don't want to, but just like I'm more comfortable with darker tones. Like that light shit, that ain't gonna work for me. So I ain't feeling that one, but I am feeling this one. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this one. Alright, y'all, so I'm back with this color. This one is a different brand, but I've used this one before. Excuse my son in the background. But I've used this one before. I just wanted you guys to see how it shows up on darker skin. But I personally like that one. Like I said, I've used it before, so pretty decent. Alright, you guys, welcome back. So I am done trying on those colors. I think I am going to stick to the dark. Want to say hey to the people? Say hey.
Hello.
Say hey.
Hello.
Say hey, everybody. Say hey, everybody.
Hello.
He eating his popsicle and stuff. So yeah. So I do not like the bright colors, so I think I am going to stick to my darker tones, natural and gloss, only because I didn't like how they looked. So, but what I can say is that I tried them and I didn't like them. Sorry, not sorry. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Peace. Peace. Peace.